Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Gcash as a payment method in the App Store. You will need a verified Gcash account with balance. It needs an iPhone or iPad with updated iOS version. Your Apple ID signed in on your device will be needed. You need a stable internet connection for setup. To add Gcash, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple ID name at the top, then go to Payment and Shipping. Here, select Add Payment Method and choose Gcash. Now, log in with your Gcash account and authorize the link. Ensure your Gcash wallet has enough funds before making purchases. Some subscriptions may not fully support Gcash payments. Refund requests may take longer compared to card payments. Protect both your Apple ID and Gcash with strong security measures. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.